How to turn on newsletters notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on newsletters notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here you will find test storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find push notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find email notifications. And here we'll find newsletters. Just turn it on by one click and then go back. That's it. And as you see here, newsletters have been turned on, and it's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.